I'm making your favorite.
Spaghetti?
Yeah. Do you want to help me? It'd be good if you made this into an epic meal for me.
Cooking with my mom is something I never, ever, ever do. But like now that there's a cooking show, she's all like, oh, help with the cooking. It's like, I don't even help my friends with the cooking.
You want me to dribble the sauce?
No, I don't want. Don't do it. Yeah, don't you dare.
A little dabble never hurt anyone.
Okay, so that's it. I can't eat it. Just let you get it. I'm not eating it.
My mom has taught me nothing about cooking, but she's taught me almost everything about being a sauce boss.
Straight up mom's spaghetti. I'm talking about plain noodles, meat sauce, regular meat, nothing interesting. But to put this spaghetti in our belly. Feel me, dog?
That's so dumb.
My family more often than not eats dinner together every night in the backyard during the summer. I had my grandfather there, my sister, my dad.
Let's do a toast to Harley being home and, of course, to Epic Meal Empire. Cheers, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, I actually gotta say, after coming down here and going to the office and connecting with everyone, I'm much more confident now in our abilities. And Dad, would you help out at the office if things got a little crazy?
Anything for you.
All right, what else should I do when I'm in Montreal right now? Slam some.
Beg pardon?
Slam some.
Well, you're here only for a weekend. You might as well, eh?
Yeah, you know I could.
Maybe I'll go with you.
And so it was good to have that moment, a real, genuine Canadian moment before I go back to Los Angeles and be a Hollywood dirtbag again.